Travelogues at 60, Delhi, Agra, making the most of each city, refreshing the ancient history we retain amidst our concretization. Entrance, beautiful inlay work, witnessed almost 3 centuries and still in great shape, unmatchable in today's day, intense, intricate, exquisite. Neither any karigar or artist can recreate this kind of delicate, intricate, exquisite, nor any rich man can afford to get such monumental works in this modern history. Measured, eye-catching, coordinated. Every flower is different, every petal different, and still so well coordinated. Artistically highlighted ceilings, intricately aligned colors, so artistically highlighted in this very high arched ceilings. Spot on, not an arc, angle, or corner untouched. No minimalism here. To create this beautiful 1-foot corner in the ceiling may be required an artist, a painter, and a mathematician to set in the actual angles, ups and downs, and maybe more. Unbelievable colors, geometrical arches, small parts of the ceiling so differently highlighted, color coordinated with geometrical arches. Jharokhas, exquisite lattice work to offer ventilation and a protected outer view. Lattices at the entrance, filtered views and ventilation. Marble carved, exquisitely, panels make up the walls. Geometry and floral carvings hand in hand on every strong marble pillar holding up the huge structures. Floral inlaid doorways with intricate lattice. Have you seen any doorway so beautiful in this century anywhere in this world? Arches, big and small. Angles, big and small. Floral inlay, lattice, all just for one doorway. Intricately planned waterway in the carved marble slopes to cool. Small jharokhas carved in marble for lamps to light up the beauty. Each marble wall panel carved, inlaid with different floral designs on each panel. Ancient Mughals connect with nature. Well manicured lawns where peacocks could dance. Now the Itmad-ud-Dullah or the Baby Taj, the first Mughal tomb in white marble with beautiful marble work. The Baby Taj, Persian influence blended with Indian elements, arched entrances and octagonal minarets held up with beautifully carved arches. Angles and arches again, carved in white marble with intricate floral patterns. Inlay panels, each wall panel with an intricate floral inlay, not flat walls, spaces are created. Corners and wall niches with bordered inlay panels, the detailing in every inch. Marble walls with geometrical inlay and marble floorings with geometrical inlay. Every wall is segmented with exquisite Mughal floral art. Every wall with a different pattern, a different color and a different art form. Geometrically designed corners with marble inlay. Long arched entrances and lattice jharokhas. Intricate marble inlay designs on long entrance panel walls. Taj nahi dekha to kya dekha. Any place offering a slight glimpse of the Taj comes with a price. Spectacular views of the beautiful monument, the Taj. Selfies with Taj. The common man wants a share of fame. Taj, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Few more monuments made in the same century period were beautiful pieces of art, totally impossible to recreate, and this is the sole reason that these need to be preserved, appreciated and maintained well. Travelogues at 60. Hope this mini Delhi Agra travelogue at 60 does not reach out as a mere tourist getter, but a mega eye-opener to the newer architects and planners of a new developing India as an inspiration to recreate some beauty in the growing concretization.